My name is Riley with Off Leash K9 Training in Canton. This is Obie. He is an 8-month-old Sheepadoodle who just completed our 2-week board and train program. Obie's owners originally came to us through our private lesson program. They went through the first lesson and quickly realized that it was too much work for them to be able to handle, so they switched over to a 2-week board and train program. However, they did get that first lesson, so Obie was a little bit ahead of the game. He understood sit and come pretty well, but was generally an overexcited puppy. He jumped a lot. If you weren't giving him attention, he would bark at you. He pulled really bad on leash. He's just a little crazy and out of control. That's the main reason his owner sent him to us, was to get him more under control. Obie is a super sweet dog who did great in our program. He's learned all of his commands. He's gotten so much more calm and relaxed around people and other dogs as well. Next up, you'll see Obie's before video on my first day working with him, and then after that, stick around to check out his awesome transformation after just 2 short weeks of training.
On my first day working with Obie, I'm just running through the commands to see what he knows. He does come when called, but when he does get to me, he jumps all over me. I try to ignore him and ignore the jumping, and he starts barking at me. Generally, he's just very overexcited. When I try to ask him for a sit or a down, he does do the sit, however he will not do the down, but both commands are met with a lot more jumping. Here Obie and I are working on the place command. He has no problem getting on the object, but he does have a lot of problems staying on that object. And due to his overexcitement, Obie was also a bit of a puller. He was super excited to get to wherever you were going, and he just wanted to get there a little bit faster than you could walk. So he pulled pretty hard.